Yo guys, right, so I'm doing this as a hangout purely because we get a bit of ranking boosts. So I thought I would do a quick hangout demo of Social Engage, and whilst I'm doing it, just give some people some tips for Facebook advertising, and just show you a couple of tools that I use when I'm not in charge of the landing page. I've got a tool that I still use that helps me ensure that my retargeting list for a particular product is still being built. Okay, so I have literally just uploaded a video via YouTube Live with a tool called YouTube Live Commando that I've got, which also helps with the rankings. So this is the video that I'm going to use as a demo inside of Social. Let's grab the URL. I'm just going to go in and I'm going to create a new campaign based around this actual product. Okay, so campaign name, let's call it Social Engage. Just call it Social Engage. Create. This is how cool it all is. We can socially, I don't even have to add anything in because we've already got some copy and stuff already in there. Nice, I like that. So we've got some buttons here: annotation, banner, opt-in. Okay, I have actually purchased this because the OTO, you need the OTO to be able to capture leads. Okay, so you know, I bought the whole thing. So my free demo version that I got as an affiliate, I needed to upgrade, and so I had to purchase the whole thing. So we can have banner like this with a little countdown, and then opt-in form. Okay, so I'm going to put in I might put in a banner. Do I want a? Yeah, because at 12 EST the price goes up. Maybe I might play with that. I've not played with this yet, guys, so you know. So we've got some different things that we can do with the button over here: modern, flat, minimal. I quite like that modern one, although the blue looks different. See, that's a little bit lighter blue. Oh, I'm a stickler for stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to keep the keep it round. Edit and personalize. Let's go it in now. And the video I want, remember, was this one. That was something else. Apologies. Control and paste. Now, guys, okay. What I'm going to show you here is I've uploaded this using YouTube Live Commando. Okay. If you need more information on it, just email me back after you receive this email, and I'll send something out to you. It just helps with YouTube video rankings. Okay. And it's also uploaded it, I think, yeah, up at 1080 because I've got a really fast internet speed. Okay, it's just a really cool tool that gives you just that little bit of an edge. And in doing this, in doing some bit of Facebook advertising to this video, it's coming up with no thumbnail because I've literally just done live. Video, when you upload a video to live, it actually takes a while for YouTube to do stuff in the background. So we just need to, I just need to wait. But from, for your instance, this is absolutely fine. So display on hover, control. Nice. Okay, see that? See what happens? Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Let's just hidden. Display always. Okay, so they're just, I think on hover is probably best because it just gives that extra bit of action. So when people go over it, something actually happens. Banner. I'm not actually going to upload a banner set a specific time, so I won't. I'll do that in a minute. Target URL. So my target URL, I've already got that. Copy link address. And my target URL is actually going to be a retargeting list. Okay, so this is a software packet. No, it's not a software package. It's an online retargeting cookie storer that helps you build a Facebook retargeting list. Okay, so I'll tell you more about that in a second. So in here we're going to do lock link name. I'm going to do call this social engage. Destination URL is going to be this one. Okay, let's make sure it is the right one. Yes, it is. So it's Facebook. So you can see that it's a pretty link. Okay, because I like to track everything. Okay, got a URL prefix, and then I'm going to say social engage. I'm doing social engage. There we go. Select a cookie. Well, there isn't a cookie in there yet, so I actually have to create a retargeting cookie. Okay, so if I'm going to go over here, I'm going to open a new one. Cookie title, social engage. Retargeting cookie content description. I think that should be the pixel. Been a little while since I've actually I say a little while, I did it last week. Okay, so that's where the retargeting pixel needs to go. Okay, so we need to go to my Facebook account. I want to create a new audience. So let's see if I can create a new audience. You can see over here we've got that big green audience button. Custom audience. This is going to be website for traffic audience. And what retargeting pixel is it puts a cookie on somebody's website in somebody's browser. So when they visit a particular URL, the cookie is dropped, and that cookie then stays there for 180 days, or when somebody actually clears their internet cache. Okay, so what that then enables Facebook to do, or other retargeting platforms, is retarget that person with your retargeting advert. So what actually happens here is, I can't remember what my got a whiteboard. Let's try. No, I've got all these tools within Hangouts, but sometimes the Hangout thing messes up. So for me, anyway, so I'm just going to do it on here and start drawing. Okay, just use your pencil, just do thin. So you've got your website here. Okay, excuse the horrible drawing there. Okay, and you have a visitor that normally lands on your page. They could have come from organic, could have come from advertising, whatever. Okay. Excuse the hideous writing there. Okay, so you got your visitor and they come to your website. If they don't do anything here, don't fill in a opt-in form, don't buy, whatever, you lose that person. However, what retargeting does is it drops the cookie onto their machine, so onto their browser. Okay. So now let's just keep everything within Facebook. Okay. Now when this person is within Facebook, So visitor hits here, the cookie is dropped. Now, when they land onto Facebook, we can serve them an ad that says, hey, you landed on here, you didn't buy, here's a $10, 10% discount voucher, okay? Or, you know, you looked at the red t-shirt, did you realize we also have a black t-shirt? Okay, so that's the power of it, because they've already been to your website, they already know who you are, you're now just serving them up another ad, so you're just trying to draw them in, okay? So if I go back to Audience Manager, I'm going to say 180 days, because that's the maximum, okay? Audience name, I'm going to call it Social Engage, okay? People who visit your website. People, this is something you really need to be specific about, guys. People who visit specific web pages, okay? So if you're using lead lock, you'll need to use this actual URL just here, which is a pain in the ass because I haven't actually created it yet. So it will be llconnect.co. So bear with me while I'm trying to use my brain to. So it's http llconnect.co/social engage. llconnect.co social engage. Just want to double check that that's right. LL Connect social engage. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. So now go back to audience. Okay. And what I like to do, guys, is I also like to add in another URL. Okay. And that URL is this, whatever your end URL is. So if this was an Amazon page, because Amazon doesn't allow you to do retargeting things, so and JVZoo doesn't allow you to do it. So these are the two reasons I bought this tool. I think it was quite expensive actually. It's like, you know, $200-300 for what it actually does. And I think I've got another tool that does exactly the same thing, but I just haven't played with it yet, so I can't talk about that with any authority. But I also like to put this URL in as well. Okay. There we go. Add description. Don't really need to add a description, and you don't have to add a description. So click on Create Audience. Now, once I've created the audience, you can then go to Social Engage, just here. Actions, I want to view the pixel. Okay. And this is the pixel. Copy. So it's just a piece of code that turns around. So once this is on your web page, which is, you know, you can actually put that pixel on a web page. We want to put that in there. Is it pasting? Let's try that again. That's probably why, because I'm mismashing between Mac and PC can really give me proper dyslexia about these two things. Copy, because all the buttons are different. So that's created. So I can now go back to here. It's probably not going to be in there because I'll probably need to refresh the page. This feels required. Pain in the bum. Let's just refresh it. I'm sure I'm going to lose everything that's actually on here, but okay. Social page. destination URL. Excuse me while I redo this, guys. Copy link address. And it was the LL Connect social. Oh, for God's sake. Social engage. Yeah, I want to use social engage. Don't need to do anything else in here. Okay, this is all I need. Right. Create lock link. Go to here. It's all now created, and now all I need to do is take this URL, copy that, and put it over to this destination URL. Okay. So now, every time somebody clicks and goes to buy JVZoo, goes to buy the product, they will then also be put into my retargeting list, so I can then retarget them with an ad that says, hey, if you didn't buy social engage but are still interested, be quick because the price goes up in half an hour or 2 hours or tomorrow or whatever it is. Okay, so I can keep creating those ads within Facebook. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to have a look at the countdown timer. When should the timer expire? I want the timer to expire now. So it's 2:10, so it's taking my actual time. So 12 p.m. EST is 5 p.m. my time. There you go. 2 hours, 48 minutes. Awesome. Awesome. Don't lose out. Subscribe. Download the blueprint. So I want to just blueprint. I want to say something about 80% discount. Um, 80% discount for okay, we don't need to be talking about all copy and stuff like that today, right now, because I just want to show you how it works. Okay, so if I go to preview and post, here we go. Let's wrap up. Don't know what's going on with this. My Mac keeps on stopping stuff. Here we go. Click on play.
Hey guys, Chad Nicer here, along with the social engagement team. I want to show you something that's absolutely amazing. It's a piece of engine.
Oh man, I hope my Hangout's coming through okay. I've got this piece of software here that speeds up my videos, and I know it has screwed up Hangouts before, and I forgot to turn it off. Okay, right, okay. So I can now
that will revolutionize your business right now. And it's a new technology that allows you to turn social marketing on its head. Now using video and
all the demos and stuff.
So what are you waiting for? Lock in your app. And when you scroll down the page, you will see.
So this is also my video, right, guys? So if 1,000, look at that, it's fucking awesome. I love that. If 1,000 people view my video, okay, what do you think that does for the SEO and the ranking of that video? I've already uploaded it as a live, YouTube live, which helps its rankings. Now we've got people watching it through Facebook. Boom, you've got real people watching your video that also helps rank your video. It's not just about everything cool that we can do within here, right? Although it is quite nice. But anyway, so what we want to do, we want to actually want to click on download. It goes to LL Connect, Social Engage. You see, now it's gone through my pretty link and boom.
Hey guys,
There we go. We've got the page, 2 hours, 44 minutes before the price goes up. So I want to get this video out to you before that price increase, so you can see it. So I just want to show you what I'm going to do with that. Sorry, bouncing around. So I want to share this. Page I manage, just on the Parnall marketing page. No image there yet because the bloody okay, you'll have to kind of ignore this bit. Normally there'd be a nice image there, but because of the fact that the thumbnail hasn't uploaded yet to Facebook, to YouTube, because I've done it through live, there's no big image here. But I would literally go in and I would click on share link. I'm going to do that just visible to me. Oh, you bastard. How do I change that? Don't want it to be public. Oh, man alive. Okay. I'm just going to click on share link anyway, just for now. You put a little bit of copy on there and whatnot. As you can see, it gives you how many views, how many clicks. So we've got all that cool stuff. Let's just go and have a look at my page. Can't actually remember what the URL is. I think it's Parnall marketing. There we go. So there we go. So I've got, so in there somewhere I need to, I've got that silly little there's a thumbnail in there, that's that one there. See, that's all about the food, so I need to actually change that one. But I expect I can actually go in there and I can edit it. And once I've edited this, I wonder if I don't have to go in and do anything to do with, so thumbnail, change the thumbnail image, add the media from your library. Let's just have a look, see what I've got in here, just see if there's anything that I could use. Wrong website. I mean, in a different website. So I'm not going to have anything. I don't know what I've got. Probably nothing. Right. So, what I want to do, I do want to have a quick look. So let's have a look just here. Maybe a bit sneaky. Facebook doesn't like those kind of it's like I'm missing the demo bit. You see these, when I hover over here, you've got the demo bits going on. But there's a delay in the, probably could still just refresh it a minute.
Hey guys, Chad Nice here. Oh,
there we go. I actually really like that. And I'll tell you the reason I like that. Is that in a minute there's going to be a big play button. Boom. So I'm going to actually take a screenshot of that and I'm going to use that as my thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to make sure we're at the highest. There we go. Resolution. I don't know if it has to be JPEG or anything, so we'll figure that out together. Shift Command and 4 on the Mac. There we go. Let's try and get this exactly the right size. I'm really fussy about this, but in the interest of time, I'm just going to try and get this as right as I can. There we go. So it's taken that. Let's go back over to here. Let's select files. Come on, Macintosh. Don't know about anybody else, but my Mac runs like a piece of poo. It is just so slow, so slow. Come on, today. Come on, let's just get this. Screenshot. That's not today, is it? It's even taken ages just to show me, get the screenshot to show up. I apologize about these big gaps, guys. This is really actually quite a pain in the bum. Let's click on all my files. Let's see. That's quicker. Okay. I don't know if this is going to make any social engage demo. I don't know the coding behind it to see what gets fed through and stuff. So I don't know, but if that's going to be medium, let's just import it as full size, please. Insert. Boom. There you go. I like that. Right, so let's click on save. Now let's go back to Facebook. Okay, so just a quick thing, just in case you didn't know that you could do this, you can go to 6 minutes ago. That actual link and it will open it. So it's not taken the fact that it's been updated. Is that because it's too? Okay. I don't know. It might be because. Let's just mark that as boot status. Offline, so we don't get hassled. Okay, so it looks like I need to redo that. Okay, because it's come over like that. If that makes sense with that bloody silly thing on there, which is fine because I can just go in and and delete this post, which is what I'm going to do now. Go in. I'm going to try and remember how to delete, which is here. Delete, delete. And we're going to go into here, and we're going to click on share. Let's just think about it a minute. Marketers, have you seen social engage? What I always like to do, so I always like to put a link in just in case they want to go straight over. So we're going to go back over to my dashboard of this. I'm going to copy that. Remember, we're building this list. Okay. Is that there? Oh, put there. It's fine. Click A and look. Click on share. So that now should be on my Facebook page. Oh, come on, where's it done? I bet it shared it on my main Facebook. Which it has done. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Oh, that's all right. Just leave it there a minute. Let's click this one. And now I'm going to share it on that page. It's a problem with my poor little brain when I try to rush to show people stuff. Page you manage, Brian Parnall. I'm going to just copy this straight from here. Copy. To there. Share link. Just go back. Let's go over to there. Click on here. So from here, guys, we can either click on Boost Post, okay, or we can go to Facebook Ads, okay. Now, what I'm going to do here is I am going to just see if I can use my audiences here. Can I use my people you choose through targeting? Here we go. My subscribers. So you can actually upload all your email addresses, okay, and then add them to a Facebook list. Okay, so it will just put the advert out in front of people, and the only people I'm going to put this out in front of is you guys right now. Okay. Now, one thing you need to be very mindful of if you're uploading your own list, and you're totally allowed to do this. Okay. When you upload your own list. Let's go to ads manager, and then let's go to audiences when it opens up. Audiences. You'll see that I have, where's my list? This is my subscribers, right? So I've got a lot more than 3,900 subscribers. But you'll see over here that Facebook says something like, oh, it's not saying it now because I think I've already clicked it, but earlier on it said low match rate. And what that means is that you can have 25,000 subscribers, but people might be using different email addresses than they have as their Facebook email address. Okay, so this is only going to be put out in front of 3,900 people, but one of you might be that person. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to what should I do? Should I do let's do 3 days, and let's do a budget of 40 quid. So, and then you can do that. You can click on boost and it'll go off and it'll charge my account accordingly. Okay. However, what we can also do is we can go to manage ads. I'm just going to show you how to set up an ad in a minute, guys. Okay. But I want to do this really, really quickly. So it's going to be a bit of a whistle stop. We're going to go add campaign, create an ad. Here we go, over here. We're going to do increase conversions on your, send people to website. That's what I want to do. I want to enter the URL I want to promote. So it's going to be, I wonder if it's got the video. Where's the video? Increase views to get video views. Here we go. Right. Choose the page. Brian Parnall. I've already got the post. I've already got the post. What's it going to say here? Upload the new video. Browse the video library. Okay. Right. So that actually has to be a actual Facebook video. I've never used this one before. I saw it the other day and I thought, oh, I'll have a look at that. Send people to your website. I suppose it's going to have to be a boost. It's going to be a boost post one because the post is already there. Social engagement revolutionized. That's the one. Click on continue. Audiences. And because I'm going to be using my own list, okay, I can use everything. So I want to include my subscribers. Okay. I don't have to do anything else now. Okay. Because they're my list. I don't need to look at interests. I don't need to look at behaviors and all that kind of stuff, because hopefully my list should know me. Okay. Run my ad continuously starting today, or you can set an end date. Post engagement, set the amount post per game. I just let Facebook just go and choose that itself. Desktop. I'm actually going to leave all three. No, I'm not going to leave all three on because I don't do that. All right. I would then go and create a mobile one. I would then go and create a right column one, and I would make sure that I have a different. I would have to create different retargeting URLs in here, okay, and also different pretty link URLs, and then within whatever network you're using, you can put a tracking ID. So you can say it was mobile, it was right side right hand side ad, or it was just a desktop newsfeed ad. Okay, so let's just leave that on desktop, place my order, boom, that's it. I have created a Facebook ad. Okay, now I'm not going to do this just yet because I haven't prepared it properly, but to do the retargeting, okay, literally all you do is you create an ad. Okay, let's do I'm going to do a post. I'm only doing this just to show you, okay, but then what you do, oh, what's it doing? I've already got an existing campaign. That's right. If you change your, just go back, send people to a website, right? So I could literally just go to let's go, just take this, copy link address, paste that in. It's just thinking about it a minute. Okay, so this is how you do your targeting. Literally, I would take out that there, and what you want to do is you want to include social engage. Okay, so that'll be everybody. Okay, I'll take out that. I'll leave everything else blank. Okay, obviously you actually need to create an ad with an image and all that kind of stuff down here. All right, choose your Facebook page that you want your ad to be associated with. Okay, we've been using social engage to grow, so you put here, because this is retargeting. So just to recap, so if I come back over to here, right, we've got visitor. Okay, they then, so this is my ad. So I've created an ad over here. Ad. Somebody clicks on that ad. They then click through to social engage website. Okay, via lead lock. Okay, that then drops the cookie and puts them into my FB social engage retargeting list. And then that's what we're choosing here, social engage. So everybody that goes through here, clicks onto here, okay, will now be showing my Facebook ad that will say something like not just social do this, not social engage, question mark. If not, be quick before it's gone forever. The price goes up. What they're going to be selling it? They're going to be selling it for. It's currently got an 80% discount at when it was at $40. So what's that? That's, I don't know, I can't work that out in my brain right now. I'm trying to do this. Before it's gone, before it goes. Okay. Be quick before it goes to full price. Right. I'm going to put download. Right, I like these little buttons. That's not an image that's going to be approved by Facebook. Okay, straight away, I know that, I can see that. It's a browse library. They've actually got stock images here. Okay, so I'm going to put, what am I going to put? I don't even know if marketing is going to have anything. I'm just trying to be quick now, get this out of the way for you guys. Let's put that there. Let's just use that. what's it say? Digital marketing. Got social engage. Awesome. Right. So I want it to be. I want it to be a desktop. Remove that. Desktop. Headline is going down here. I need to newsfeed description. Here we go. So this is what we need to do. Cut that out. Thanks. By social engage. There you go. So it's now up there. Oh. Grab it now for the price goes up. Oh, buses. I want to put that URL in. Let's just actually we want to use the Brian Parnall one here now. Just copy link address, copy link address, copy link address. Paste. Price goes up. Oh, now I'm too far. Oh. This is why it's actually sometimes it's better to use Power Editor. Just type it. If you don't know what Power Editor is, you can actually add image text. Takes up to 20%. The image may not be approved. Well, it's not 20%. I don't think. Okay. Browse library. Let's go to stock images, marketing. I'm just going to use that one. I know it's not a great one, and it's blue as well, so it doesn't really stand out that much better. But I'm trying to do this for grab it now. Price. Oh, it doesn't. Grab it now. Price is going up. I haven't got enough room. Price goes up. Okay, I can't do anything about that. We're just text can't include 2 punctuation marks or signs in a row. I have no idea what that's referring to. It's talking about the URL. So, yeah, there you go. Which is great. Price is going up. There we go. It's still in, and just done all that. Click on place order. It's going to go away, and it's going to. So that's going to be shown to everybody who sees clicks through to my JVZoo page, but we can't do who doesn't buy, because we don't own JVZoo, and we can't put all the different pixels and stuff in there that will create a different audience, because you could create a different audience, and where it said include, you could do exclude, so you exclude all your buyers, but you can't do that with JVZoo because you cannot put the tracking pixels on to JVZoo. All right, so that's my demo with a bit of Facebook advertising training. So I hope you find all of this useful. All right, guys, take care. And I'm going to end this Hangout now. If I can remember how to end a Hangout. Cheers then. Bye-bye.